Clears the fifth. And he goes to the second round. And now, our third rider, we have Corporal Udara Mohammed from Attention Malaysia. And we will see whether Attention Malaysia can do all 6 fences without any fault. So if any rider has a drop of 1 of the fences, they will not progress to the second round. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see. That's the wall fence. Alright, his coach is giving some last minute tips. Okay, he's going to approach the first fence. Come on, let's give him encouragement. Let's go. Here's the first fence. Goes on to the second. Goes to the third. Clears the fourth. Clears the fifth. And clears the sixth. And he goes on to the